Whether you're a business or an individual, your online reputation matters. As a business, your search results are your online shop window, and as an individual, your results are your CV. A business with negative search results can experience lack of growth and income, brand damage, decreased shareholder and investor confidence, and even bankruptcy. As an individual, your search results are your calling card. If your results are negative, they could damage your networking opportunities, personal relationships, and more importantly, your career prospects. Reputation Defender has developed a strategy which employs patented technology to help push existing positive online content higher up the search results, whilst effectively pushing inaccurate and detrimental content further down, helping you to take back control of your reputation and positively influencing those critical opinions formed about you online. Speak to one of our experts today to start protecting your online reputation.